Hello everyone, this is Manoj and welcome back to the ReactJS series. In this session, I will talk about how to pass methods as props in ReactJS. So far, we have seen how to pass values as props from parent to child component. As you can see this app is our parent component and this employee FC is our child component. And we are passing first name, last name, email, these three as props in the employee functional component. And then this employee functional component takes this data as props and then renders it to the UI. So in other words, whatever data we will pass from parent to child, that is available in the child component. But what if we want to provide any value from child component to the parent component? So in that case, we will use methods as props from child component to parent component. So let's see with an example in the component folder. Let's create a file and give it a name parent.js. And in this component, so import React from React and const parent, and here let's return a simple div. And in this div, let's create a button. Click here. And finally, let's export this. Export default parent. So save. Now go to our app.js and here let's comment these two imports and import our parent component first. So import parent from components parent and here comment these two as well and use our parent component. Save. Let's go to browser. So we have a button, click here. If I click here, nothing is happening. Okay, go back to our parent.js. So here, let's declare a click event. So const print message, and here simply alert hello parent component, and here let's declare one on click event for this button on click and pass this print message. Save. Go back to browser. See, the moment I click on this button, it says hello parent component as alert box. Okay, now let's create a child component in components folder. So new file, child.js. You can use any meaningful name. So import React from React, const child, return a div, and let's export this. Export default child, and here let's cut this button from here and pass it over here. Save. And in the parent component, let's import our child component. So import child from child. So the path is dot slash child because both the components are inside a component folder. So here let's use this child and now save. If I go back to browser, it says print message is not defined, which is a valid error message. Go to child.js. So here we are passing print message, but we didn't declare or define this message. So let's go to parent.js. So first of all, let's provide this method as props. So we have passed a method as props to this child component. Now in the child component, here we will receive this method as props. So declare props, and here props dot print message. So let's save, go back to browser. If I click on this, so you see hello parent component. But we have achieved our task, but still the parent values are getting populated, but we need to pass something from child and we want to print this on parent component. So for that we need to declare this event handler as arrow function. So let's use it, and here now if you want to pass something from here, we can do it easily. So welcome from child component. So I'm passing this value from here. Let's go back to browser. Still, because we didn't receive this, for that we need to go to our parent.js, and here we need to declare a property or a parameter. So I'm passing child value, and here we need to concatenate this like child value. So save. If I click here, so hello parent component, welcome from child component. Perfect. Now go back to Visual Studio Code. So here, instead of this concatenating this plus sign, we can use template literal. If you're not aware about template literal, then you can Google it later, but let me show you how we can use it. So instead of this single quotes, let me cut this message first. So we need to use backticks, and here give your static message, and after that whatever dynamic value you are receiving, you need to put that inside this dollar curly braces. So you can pass this child value. Now save, go back to browser, click here, see hello parent component, welcome from child component. So this is how we can pass methods as props from parent to child component, and how we receive values from child component on parent component. Alright, so this is pretty much about this session. In my next video, I will talk about conditional rendering, and we can see how many types are there which we can use to render our content or the UI part. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.